Finally, another Jordan 1 to review. I was getting worried, man. I know they saying, yo, it's too many Jordan 1s coming out, too many colorways. But really think, when the last Jordan 1 we got? You know, over here we love Jordan 1s as sneaker notes. Yes, sir. So today we are reviewing the Jordan 1 Electro Orange. And I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of starting to feel like Halloween. A couple of videos ago, I just reviewed the Yeezy Inflame Orange, I think. Yeah, but that was last video. Today we talking about the Electro Orange Jordan 1s, man. And I'm not gonna lie, man. I have my little marks with white Jordan 1s. I didn't keep them. I had the high 85 Jordan 1s, white. I had the what these things were called, the yellow joints with a little bit of like lime yellow, all white. I had the Phantoms. None of those all white Jordan 1s did me justice. The closest one was the Sylvester joints, but I'm not really sure you can even call these white. They have the old and vintage yellowing around it, but this was the closest one that gave justice. Jordan 1 Electro Orange joints, trust me, in hand, they really more pretty than you see in them pictures. So enough long talking, let's get into the review. Hit the music. Unboxing time. You see, this is where I get a little mad at Jordan Brand. Let's change the box up a little bit, Jordan, just a little bit, man. But you get your classic OG Jordan 1 box, black and red, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is white, black, Electro Orange. Regular box, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Start with the toe box. Got an all-white toe box. Does have that bounce back material. It's not shattered, but it does have that bounce back material. You got your black lining around your toes, aka black toes. The bottom of the orange creeps in and really makes the sneaker pop as the whole bottom is orange. Other than that, the sneaker's predominantly white, not sail white, not cream white, not Nigel Sylvester white. It's just white. If you look close, it tumbles a little bit. Not shattered backboard tumble, but it does tumble a little bit. Black swoosh. Right here, I love how this Electro Orange hits. It kind of looks like it can be satin, but it's not. It's still a rubber feel, rubber touch, but it looks like it can be satin. Also, it peeks out right there, a little bit of satin look, the orange look. Boom. Comes with 2 shoestrings, and I love when they add extra accessories and make it feel like when you paid less for more, and I like that. So you have your orange here and your white here. I'm not mad at the black, but I can see how the orange can definitely make the sneaker pop more. You got your Jordan 1 wing there, classic first logo from Jordan Brand there. Go to your tongue, black tongue, Nike Air on there. dope look. The tongue even looks satin too. I have to look into these materials, man, because they definitely put some premium on this Jordan 1. Premium. And your bottom is also in that starfish orange. Now off glance, first glance, or even when you seen the pictures, when you thought of this sneaker, you had to think about one of the shattered backboards. 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. The satin ones that the girls got that I'm so jealous about. And I almost pulled the trigger on that sneaker maybe 7 different times. But them shattered joints were special. They just didn't come in men's size and you had to get like a 12, 13, 14. But yeah, when you think of these, you think of these. Yeah, so I won these on the Sneakers app. Yeah, I already know the Sneakers app is like hitting lotto nowadays with the new draw. But I like them, man. Very dope sneaker. If you get a chance to get these sneakers in hand, trust me, take a look at them, man. The pictures really don't do these justice. It's crazy because I try to give y'all like all the info that I receive. I was told that these sneakers were inspired by Jordan's outfit in Japan. And you already know that's what started the shattered backboards. And a couple of months ago, I want to say, we were supposed to get the jersey right here that he actually wore, that started the whole shattered backboard movement, but we still haven't got it. I guess Nike ain't get clearance on the logo and things of that nature, but that'd be dope to get, man. That'd definitely raise the shattered backboards to a higher level than it is. But yeah, man, just a quick review on the newest Jordan 1 Electro Orange. And real quick, something new from Kif came in. The streetwear people been killing me that I'm not updating y'all on the streetwear I'm getting. Well, Supreme is over, guys. Supreme ended last week. They do have sale items right now, so if you never got a chance to get your hands on anything Supreme because it goes in 2-3 minutes, go check out Supreme right now, the website. They got a whole bunch of sale items. Go check it out. So this is from Kif. This is the latest Monday programming. And this is the Nelson Mandela, Kif for Nelson Mandela tee. There was a whole bunch to choose from, but I love the Stonewash black colorway on this. And I like the fact that they put he was our first president, because he actually was our first black president. Well, not ours, but I think it was South Africa's. So, very dope look. Retail, I think it was $70. I can't remember. But yeah, streetwear people, I'm here. Kif for Mandela. Kif for Mandela. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Did y'all cop? Are y'all looking to cop? StockX prices right now is $221, $225. Not bad. So if you want them, you know what I'm going to say. Cop early, because even the brickest of Jordan 1s will creep into that $275, $300 price tag in a year, barring restocks. Will these restock? They should. I mean, the release was kind of good. It wasn't a bad word release. Like, the bots ain't really grab them, as I seen a lot of people get W's. But you never know, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. More fire content coming soon. Hit it. Subscribe. Everybody get rich.